Magandang gabi mga kaibigan, sa aking mga subscriber, sa aking mga silent viewer dyan. Shoutout sa inyo lahat. Sa aking nga mga pulang mga kasamahan dyan sa trabaho. Sa aking boss Parikoy, kay boss Ryan, kay Mamalu, Sir Joshua, Ma'am Helen, Ma'am Mira, at saka kay Sir Dinyo. Sa aking kaibigan dyan sa head ng aming accounting, kay Boss Ronnie. Shout out sa inyo lahat. Mga kaibigan, shout out sa inyo lahat mga kaibigan. Mga kaibigan, meron akong mga nahunt na coins ngayon Ngayong araw lang dalawa ang nahunt ko na frosted die 2015, 1 peso. Kaso lang itong isang to, circulated masyado to eh. Ang dami niyang tama. Halata mo naman mga kaibigan ang dami niyang damage ang outer circle niya. Daming tama. Pero frosted to mga kaibigan So, dami na pating kumapit na dumi sa kanya. Frosted to. Katong isang to, ito, masasabi kong almost uncirculated to. 2015 frosted die. Kanya ang ganda niya Kapag kinapa mo ito mga kaibigan, masasalat mo pa yung mga numero niya. Kumpara dito pag kinapa mo dito, magaspang. Pero frosted to mga kaibigan. Itong harapan niya makakapa mo pa ng maayos. Pero kahit makakapa mo siya, halata mong maraming tama. Mas magaspang siya Ikumpara mo dito pag kinapa mo. Pati numero makakapa mo makakapa mo lahat. Pati ito si Rizal, tsaka itong numero makapa mo ng ayos. Ito almost uncirculated. 2015 frosted die 1 peso. Tsaka ito mga kaibigan, ito nadampot ko uli sa daan to. Nilalakad-lakad lang sa tinatapak-tapakan siguro. Walang kursonada ang mga tao kasi 25 centavo lang Parang wala ng value. Pero frosted siya mga kaibigan Tsaka may nagbablog ito mga kaibigan. Ang vlog niya 9 months ago. 9 months ago, ito daw hard to find. Ang sabi niya sa vlog niya. Hard to find daw ito. Hard to find. Ang dami nito mga kaibigan. Tsaka to, ang lagpas manggas. Hindi ito lagpas kwelyo kasi sa balikat ito Ang balikat, wala namang kwelyo sa balikat manggas. Diba? May kwelyo ba sa balikat? Manggas lang ang nasa balikat. Kaya ito lagpas manggas. Tsaka yung kung kwelyo ito ng Amerikana, ang kwelyo ng Amerikana ay nasa baba, nasa may dibdib. Ang kwelyo ng Amerikana. Ang may kwelyo lang, yung long sleeve na nasa ilalim ng Amerikana. Yun ang may kwelyo. Pero ito, pag lumagpas dito, manggas to balikat Tsaka ito mga kaibigan Ito'y very good lang. 2012, very good. Nakonsuldahan ko siyang itabi kasi may kumikinang pa sa kanya eh. Pati yung likod oh. May makikita ka pang umiikot. Yung iba kasi talaga, wala nang umiikot man lang. Wala kang makikitang umiikot na gaya nito oh. Eh yun yung mga ganon, eh good. Ito very good to. Tsaka ito, mahirap hanapin to, 2017. 2% lang to eh. So mga kaibigan, baka naman pwede maglambing ng subscribe, pa-press ng subscribe, pa-press ng notification bell, pa-select ng all para ma-notify kayo pag ako nag-upload ng video. Mga kaibigan, ito nga pala, ito yung isa yun sa binenta sa akin ng supervisor ng janitor namin. Ito yung pag-uusapan natin. Ito yung 1,000 won ng Korea. Ito nga pala itong taong to mga kaibigan. Ito siya ay si Yi Wang. Yi Wang was a Korean philosopher, writer, and Confucian scholar of the Joseon period. He is considered the most important philosopher of Korea. He is honored by printing his portrait on the most often used 1,000 won banknote, on the reverse of which one can see an image of his school, Dosan Shuwon. He was of the new Confucian literati, established the Yongnam School and set up the Dosan Shuwon, a private Confucian academy. Yi Wang is often referred by his art name Gyogye, retreating Creek. His courtesy name was Gyongho. His interpretation of New Confucianism was influential not only in Korea but also in Japan, Taiwan, and Vietnam, and is now being studied even in the mainland China. His main work, 10 diagrams on siege learning, originally published in classical Chinese language, has been already translated into modern Korean, Japanese, Vietnamese, English, French, German, Russian, and Polish. Some of his writings were lot by the Japanese military during the Japanese invasion of Korea. Yi Wang was born on Ongyeri, Andong North, Gyeongsang Province in 1501. He belonged to the Genbo Yi clan and was the youngest son among 8 children, a child prodigy. He learned the analects of Confucius from his uncle at age 12, and admiring poetry of Tao Yuanming. He started writing poetry. His poem Yadang Found in the Wild, written at the age of 18, is considered one of his major works. Around the age of 20, he immersed himself in the study of I Ching and Neo-Confucianism. He came to Seoul, then known as Hansyung, when he was 23 years old and entered the National Academy Songpyeon-kwan in 1523. In 1527, he passed preliminary exam to become a government official, but re-entered Songpyeon-kwan at the age of 33 and socialized with the scholar Kim In-ho. He passed the civil service exam with top honor in 1534 and continued his scholarly pursuits whilst working for the government. He returned to his childhood at the death of his mother at the age of 37 and mourned her for 3 years. He was appointed various positions from the age of 39 and sometimes held multiple positions, including Secret Royal Inspector or Hegyusa in 1542. His integrity made him relentless as he took part of purges of corrupt government officials. On numerous occasions, he was even exiled from the capital for his firm commitment of principle. Yi Wang was disillusioned by the power struggle and discord in the royal court during later years of King Jonggong reign and left political office. However, he was continuously brought out of retirement and held several positions away from the royal court and in rural areas. He was the governor of Danyang at 48 and governor of Ponggi. Afterwards, during his day at Ponggi, he redeveloped and improved the private Neo-Confucian Academy. Baekongdong Shuwon, established by his predecessor Jo Si-bong. He was named Dai Sa-seong, head instructor of Songpyeon-kwan in 1552, but turned down other prominent offices later on in 1560. He established the Dusan Shudang and engrossed himself in meditation. Excuse me po. Meditation is study and teaching his disciples. King Myeongjong tried to coax him back to political office, but he was steadfast in his devotion to study. He finally returned to the royal court at 67 upon king request when envoys from the Ming dynasty came to Seoul. When King Myeongdong suddenly died, his successor King Seonjo appointed Yiwang as Yejo Pansyo. Excuse me po. Excuse me. Minister of Rights, but he declined and returned to his home once again. However, the king continuously called Yiwang back and unable to refuse. Further, he resumed office at the age of 68 and wrote many advisory documents including Seonghak, Sipdo, 10 diagrams of sage learning. He also gave lectures from the teaching of Song Dynasty Confucians scholars Cheng Ye and Cheng Hao, I Cheng, Analix, and Xiang Shai in royal present. He finally retired from politics at the age of 70 and died in 1570. During 40 years of public life, he served for King Jongjong, Enjong, Myeongjong, and Seojo. On his death, Yiwang was posthumously promoted to the highest ministerial rank, and his mortuary tablet house in a Confucian shrine, as well as in the shrine of King Seongjo. His disciples and followers recognized the Dusan Seongdang to Dusan Seongwon in 1574. Excuse me po. So mga kaibigan, baka naman pwede maglambing ng subscribe, pa-press ng subscribe, pa-press ng notification bell, pa-select ng all para ma-notify kayo pag ako nag-upload ng video. Pasensya na kayo kasi mahaba-haba yung binasa ko, sumasabit yung ibang mga tono. Pasensya na kayo mga kaibigan. So, diretso na tayo sa presyo niya mga kaibigan. Ay, unahin natin yung pictures niya. Issuer South Korea, issuing Bank of Korea, period Republic, type standard circulation coin, share 2007. Ay, isa lang ano to. Value 1,000 won. Value sa Pilipinas 42 mga kaibigan. 42 pesos. Currency new won. Composition paper. Aba, papel lang pala to. Papel lang to. Okay lang, papilang size 136 by 68 mm, shape rectangular. Obverse portrait of Yiwang, Myeongdong, a lecture hall of Seongyongwan, an educational institution that was founded during the Joseon Dynasty. Ito yung ano niya, ito yung school. Joseon Dynasty. Ito yun oh. Reverse. The painting of Jiasang, Gyunang Gyudo, that illustrate Yewang and Dusan Siwon, blooming flowers of the Korean green plum, Prinus Num, Hangul Latin. Oh, ito yun. Ibig sabihin, memorial site to. O anong tawag nito? Ito siya, oh. Sa mga kaibigan, oh. Mahina na kasi yung ano natin, eh. Tagus yan. Tagusan yan, mga kaibigan. Pag ito itinapat mo sa ilaw at nakatingala ka, tagusan yan. Tunay itong hawak ko. Kaso lang, may biyak sa gitna, eh, oh. Anong tawag nito? Parang ano lang to. Good. O very good. Isa ito sa binenta sa akin ng supervisor na yun, na pinisyohan ko 400. Kasama ang $20 ng Hong Kong, 20 pesos at 10 pesos at $1 ng US. Pinisyohan ko ng 400 kasi yung $20 ng US, presyo ko, ang presyo ko talaga doon, 200. Tsaka ito, 100, 300. Yung presyo ko sa $1, tsaka sa 10 pesos at 20 pesos ng Pilipinas, yun na yung 100. Kasi hindi ko pwedeng lagpasan pa yung 10 piso, gawin kong 50. Hindi pwede kasi circulated masyado. Pati yung 20, circulated masyado. Yung $1 naman, circulated din masyado. Hindi ko maitaas ang value kasi malulugi masyado ako. Kasi may stock lang naman sa akin yun, eh. Hindi ko naman yun ibebenta. Akin lang yun. Tambay sa akin lang yun. Collection ko lang yun, eh. Kaya, prinisyohan ko lang siya ng 400. So, mga kaibigan, baka naman pwede maglambi ng subscribe. Papress na subscribe. Papress na notification bell. Paselect ng all para ma-notify kayo pag ako nag-upload ng video. Paselect na rin ng palike na rin. At kung gusto nyo i-share, pa-share na rin. Maraming salamat, mga kaibigan. Magandang gabi.